this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is flowers in my garden and a garden find. So I have something that I wanted to share with all of you that I have found, but I also wanted to share the beautiful blooms. It has been raining today. I was doing a little bit of gardening, and it just been raining the whole, well, not the whole day, half of the day, but I still wanted to share the beauty of the roses, and I think this one is just absolutely gorgeous. So let me continue to share the other rose that I just find beautiful, and then also the other items that I found. Okay, everyone, so here is the other rose. This one is about faded out. I did insert, or I will insert, a video of me sharing this rose with you. So this one's about to just fade out, and so there is a bud that is about to bloom behind that one. And then here is this beautiful yellow rose. Okay, so this is the same rose, and as you can see, it is just absolutely gorgeous. It has been raining, and it haven't balled up, and it's just been upright the whole time. And this is a hybrid tea rose, and I am thinking the name of this rose is called Julia Child. And here is another one that just opened up, and there is another bud, and I'm going to take a picture of the bud so I could share it with you. But I just think that this rose looks absolutely gorgeous, and I just wanted to share it with all of you. Okay, everyone, so I am back, and I just finished sharing the yellow rose with all of you, the beautiful yellow rose. And I'm not really sure of the name of that rose. I know it is a hybrid tea rose. The name of it, I think, is called Julia Child. I think that is the name of the rose, but it's just so pretty, and I just love it. And I just wanted to share with all of you the flower, of course. So here is the find of the day. So I was just driving through my neighborhood, and somebody ended up just putting these out in front of their house, and I guess they were throwing it away. And so they had a bunch of other things that they threw away, and there was a beautiful pink chair that I have found for my room as well that they threw away, but I will do another video about that later. But today's video, of course, is all about the garden. And even though it is a short video, like I've mentioned, it is a really short video, today's video, but I still wanted to share these beautiful, I guess they're like statues. They used to be fountains, I'm thinking, and then I guess the fountain part broke off, and so now they're garden statues. And so I'm gonna do a close-up. It's raining. It's been raining in the afternoon. I have been working really hard in the garden, which is the rose garden that I was talking about, that is off to the side of the house, and I have the other side that I haven't even started. I will be doing an updated video on the gardening part, and I am going to be adding some more flowers and everything, but let me just focus on the statues, because this is what this video is about. It's about the beautiful flowers that I got in my garden that are blooming even though it is raining, and these two beautiful garden statues. Okay, so I'm just going to do a close-up of each of these beautiful statues. So let me go ahead and walk over. It is raining, so I'm gonna try my best. So here is the first statue. Okay, so here it is. It is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, if you remember, I talked about putting beautiful statues in the garden. And this is the type of statue that I had in mind. So I am very happy that I have found this. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Okay, so the next one is not going to go in the garden, but is going to stay in the patio area. And here it is. I just think both of them are just absolutely gorgeous. There's lots of details on the both of them. So beautiful. And like I've mentioned, I look in the back here, I'm thinking they used to be fountains. So that's what I'm thinking that there used to be, but now they are garden statues. They're gonna be in the garden. Like I've mentioned, this one right here is going to be in the pool area. So we already have a statue here, and it's gonna go in on the other side. And then this one right here is going to go outside. I think it's perfect for outside. The only thing is, we're gonna spray them, and that one is going to be more of like a ivory color. It's going to match the other statues that we have outside. And I just think it is so pretty. So, so pretty. And so as far as the flowers and everything, I do have my hydrangeas here. As you can see, they're in pots. I'm going to be adding some mulch on top of them, and of course I was going to do that, but it started to rain. And so now what I'm going to do is I am going to share one more rose that I think is just gorgeous in the garden that just bloomed, and I'm going to insert a picture of the rose, and then also a few other roses that have been blooming in my garden.